From the very beginning of my lettering journey, iPad lettering in particular has always been about finding and looking for the best possible tools that I can get that would ultimately allow me to just have fun and simplify my workflow. So when I actually decided to create this lettering brush pack, I wanted to make sure it had all the features that I was missing when I was first starting out. So I began with the shape, not just any ordinary shape, but something that was based on actual letter strokes. Something that was based on a collection of hundreds of different variations. And the result is this incredible realistic feeling and texture you get that can be nowhere found except in a real brush pen. But creating this brush wasn't just as simple as selecting and importing shape sources. It turns out there's a real challenge to it, and you need to consider a whole range of different factors. For instance, if you increase the scaling too much, the readability of your lettering will decrease. But if on the other hand the scaling is below the ideal spot, your lettering is not going to have the realistic texture you're looking for. So there is a fine line between those two, and overcoming this challenge was really one of the keys to make this brush pack possible in the first place. And another thing I'm really excited about is that this brush pack comes with custom-made element brushes. So for the first time ever, by using specific grain sources, I was able to achieve the same texture you could find in certain elements such as sand and snow. And after countless hours of experimentation, I was also able to incorporate them into brushes that are capable of producing high quality letter forms. In addition to all these efforts, I think the real beauty of this brush pack is expressed the most while actually using and feeling the brushes. Touching the surface, seeing them turn into life, and bringing joy into your workflow, that's exactly the kind of brush pack I wanted to create. One that will be used in many different places and in many different ways.